Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation gift card for Vbucks. First, get your PlayStation Store gift card. Then, on your PlayStation console or through a web browser, go to the PlayStation Store. Look for the Redeem Codes option. Carefully enter the 12-digit code from your gift card. This step converts your physical card into digital funds for your account. Once redeemed, the value of your gift card is automatically added to your PlayStation wallet. This digital wallet holds your funds for all purchases on the PlayStation Store. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to check your current wallet balance to ensure you have enough funds for the Vbucks pack you want. This helps avoid any interruptions during your purchase. Now that your PlayStation wallet is loaded, launch Fortnite on your PlayStation console. Once in the game, navigate to the Vbucks tab, usually found in the main menu. Here, you'll see various Vbucks packs available. Select the pack that suits your needs, then confirm your purchase using the funds from your PlayStation wallet. It's a straightforward process. After confirming your purchase, your Vbucks will be immediately available in your Fortnite account. You can now use them to buy new outfits, emotes, gliders, or even the latest battle pass to enhance your gaming experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This robot vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying features, perfect for pet owners. Enjoy your new Vbucks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.